Mga kaibigan, good morning to all of you, especially to all my organic followers around the world. No? To all my solid followers, solid viewers, solid supporters in our channel here in TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Especially our subscriber in YouTube channel in different countries around the world. Mga kaibigan, thank you so much. And also, in our Facebook page, mga kaibigan, thank you so much to all of you. We have a topic today, why it is based on the history that we encountered, that we experienced from our ancestor until now. Because there is a lot of people out there, especially the Filipino mindset people, mga kaibigan, that they do not know what was the history all about. The history is the most crucial and the most important in every life of this certain person. If you do not know what was the history of our country, and then you do not care the life and the territory and the law of our country, what was the beginning? What was the beginning of our everything on this world? So we have the topic that all about, because we have one followers asking about that. I have a little view on reiterating some knowledge here. I am not an expert for the first place to discuss about this, but I would like to reiterate for you a little bit of an idea, and if you want and concrete for this, and then try to go to research and go to the experts. So, who are the countries the most abusive or the most colonizer around the world? My answer is all about Europe. Why? Did you think that Europe is one of the troublemaker countries or continent around the world? And these countries was what I would like to say earlier, that is troublemaker. And they are making right now to make the world, the whole universe, for into 10 regions, no? It is because of their interests around the world. In the history, when the World War I began, or what the countries started, or who are the countries to the continent to start this war, is only for the Europe, the continent of, from the continent of the Europe. Why? It's all about on July 28th, 1914, the World War I was begun by the Austria and the Hungary, going to Belgium, Russia, and many others, mga kaibigan. So that was the history. Around the world right now is one of the troublemaker, because they will going to monopolize around the world, especially the mindset of the people is Europe. And then later the World War II was about to establish or began for this world, was on the September 1939. It's all about in Germany by Adolf Hitler. So, did you notice that now, this EO, no, mga kaibigan, that is a trouble promoter or the troublemaker. Why? The EO was established for NATO. And the Russia, they do not like with that. And the Ukraine is the part of the Russia before. No, the biggest collections in uranium was in the Chernobyl of the Ukraine. And there is a lot of the minerals, especially titanium, was in that countries, on that particular countries and boundaries in the Ukraine, mga kaibigan. So that's why the EU and the NATO was established by EU. Yes, the NATO was established by EU. It's called the alliance. They don't mindset but the people around the world, no? Especially the Philippines, no? The most obvious countries around the world is the Philippines. Why? When the colonizer came here from and that's white, I do not like the white people, mga kaibigan. Why? They colonized my country for almost 400 years. It's all about 333 years by the Spain. The Spain is the part of the Europe. The Spain is the part of the EU. And then, later was colonized also by the United States for almost 48 years. And followed by the Japanese. It's all about 6 years. So, it's all about the history of the war. And then, this Ukraine right now is promoting an war. It's called World War III. So that's why I'm very much happy to listen and to hear that the great leader of the United States of America right now is Donald Trump. They do not like war. He like for the peace. That's why I call Donald Trump is the world face great leader like PRRD here in the country, mga kaibigan, no? So that's why there is a lot of the history. Even before the Chinese and the Russian here in the country, they do not like to invade or colonize the Philippines. So that's why I would like to change the name of this country from the Philippines into Ofer, because this Philippines before is called an Oferian. It's called an the language here is Baybayin. So that's why the Spaniards before here, the Magellan, they do not understand the language which is called Baybayin, mga kaibigan. So that's all about the history. Kaya dito sa Pilipinas, dadaming kurap. Kasi mga kurap yung mga Espanyol, no? Mga kukurap yan sila. Malalaki yung mga pinapataw nilang mga buhis. No? Yung mga gunggong ng mga tao yan. Yun, mga kaibigan. So that is the history of the country. So, you know, it is the brief, the history we discuss right now, mga kaibigan. So that hindi po natin maiisip na ganun pala ang ginagawa nila sa bayan ho natin, sa bansang ano po ni Lapu-Lapu. So that's why dapat siguro Lapu-Lapu Republic. Lapu-Lapu Republic. Di Kanyetan Republic. Yo, di ba? Kanyetan Republic.